Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RIL's quarterly numbers are below street estimates. TCS earnings beats expectations, and food inflation accelerates in early April. India's biggest company has reported disappointing earnings. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries posted its fourth quarter results after markets closed on Thursday. Net profit climbed 14.1% to 5,376 crores and net sales went up 26% to 72,674. But while RIL's numbers all showed growth, they remained below street estimates. Part of the problem was poor showing from RIL's hydrocarbons business. Production growth at its gas blocks is dull and the firm's refining operations are not as profitable as expected. Gross refining margin in the quarter was $9.20 a barrel compared to $7.50 in the same period last year. Most analysts, however, expected margins of around $10 a barrel. Meanwhile, with expectations high, shares of RIL raced up 1.4% on the BSE. Meanwhile, India's biggest IT firm has done much better. Quarterly earnings from Tata Consultancy Services on Thursday beat all expectations. The company's net profit jumped 23% to 2,402 crores and revenues increased to 10,157. TCS Managing Director N. Chandrasekaran said the company added 39 clients during the quarter. He also said he expected to see a steady supply of fresh deals in the coming year. But despite the positive outlook, there are hitches. TCS saw its profit margin fall 153 basis points during the quarter to 23.7%. Stock of the firm tumbled 2.23% on the BSE to finish at 1,191 rupees and 65 paise. In switching to the 2G scandal, the 5 corporate executives seeking bail will have to wait until next week for an answer. On Thursday, the Delhi High Court deferred hearing their bail applications until the 26th. The 5 executives had turned to the High Court after a special court rejected their pleas for bail on Wednesday. On the economy, food inflation is picking up pace once again. India's food price index shot up 8.74% in the period of the 9th of April. The previous week, it increased by 8.28. This is the first acceleration in food inflation for 4 weeks. Data showed rising prices of fruits were the main culprit. And finally, Indian markets rose for a third day in a row. The Sensex climbed 131 points to 19,602 and the Nifty went up 33 to 5,885. Winners on Thursday include State Bank of India. Its shares shot up 2.34% on the BSE a day after it ended its so-called teaser loans. Another gainer was Hindustan Zinc, which zoomed more than 3% to about 152 after it reported its quarterly earnings. Thursday's close is the end of trade for the week. Markets will remain closed on Good Friday. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.